So I'm discussing about that how to identify for canonical form. For the purpose of canonical form, any website, any web page will be only for one URL. So I'm adding for this content for home page. So just here, I'm searching for is my home page here. In home page, I'm opening for the different pages. Just back to your home page. It will show for two URLs. Means one web page only for two URLs. Google considers the spam for both URLs. Without spamming purpose, I can mention by canonical form. The canonical form mentioned by this, by user can understanding for my URL will be only for rsmh.bulkandbait.com, not for index.php. How to write? So first of all, copy the URL. The syntax will be here. Mention this. We'll copy this URL. Go to cPanel. Click for File Manager. In this public underscore HTML. In this, you can go for index.html. Why? Homepage belongs to for index.html. So we already have the canonical form. Just I replace the canonical form here. So yeah, check the canonical form here. Where you can mention, check Control F. This is a canonical form. So home page belongs to for rsmh.bulkandbait.com. Next one. Check this about. About also which URL will be canonical form? About.html. Check this one. Same. Go to about page, about.html. Click for edit. Clear? So what are the content you're updating for particular URL? The URL mentioned by the each page will be canonical form. How to check? Simple one. Select your site, open your page, Control U, check for Control F, canonical. See this. Every page have to check by canonical form manually to implement by the canonical form. That is called every web pages that contain belongs to only particular one URL. The URL called preferred URL. Then mentioned by the canonical form. Without mention canonical form, if you use any spam content, spam will be generated by your website. That is very, very important. If it is the dynamic or static, it will be mentioned by the properly. So if you come into example, take by the snapdeal.com. This Snapdeal, I can open for Control U, check by the my home page canonical form. They mention which one? Snapdeal.com is a canonical form. What they mention for Snapdeal.com? They are to make the developer to mention the canonical form. That is called preferred URLs. That is called preferred URLs. So I can open this laptop. Top laptops. I can open one laptop here. The laptop name is called Dell Inspiron 3567 here. Now click for Control U. After open your page source, check by your canonical form. Snapdeal.com is there or your particular URL. Snapdeal.com//Dell Inspiron 3567 Notepad 4. Clear? So this is called we can writing for canonical form. Our task is called any user is missing canonical form. You can mention to developer updating for your dynamic website. But static we can using cPanel updating for canonical URL. Always syntax will be here. This is called syntax for canonical form. In this, you can add your URL for particular web pages using for canonical URL. That is called preferred URL. This is, please write down the syntax.